Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you a simple way how we can create a clip on Twitch, so on mobile. So let's start. The first thing I want to do is just be in Twitch application, and let's just click here on Dice that is streaming right now. What I'm going to do is just next to the settings, you're gonna see like this, I don't know how it's called in English, but you know, from the cinema, like tzvak, next scene, you know? So click on it, the middle button. Now here you can simply create a clip, generating clip arena. It's going to load for a while, but here we got it. So I can click here on edit. I can edit the title and it will create the last 30 seconds, I think. And the title is loading. On mobile it will be a little bit slow comparing to computer because it's a mobile. And like even this is like high stuff that you can actually clip something. Add a title, Dice, and click publish. You can also trim the clip if you want to. There's also another thing, if it would load. So when I go again, click here on generating clip arena, edit, yeah, I'm going to wait, but there will be also like the trim and crop option. I don't know why it's not showing right now. I need to wait for a while, but this is pretty much it. So yeah, have a great day everybody, and then just like copy the link and you just share it on live stream files and whatever. So have a great day and goodbye.